Have you ever wondered why we spend nearly a third of our lives asleep? It's a question that's puzzled humans for centuries. Every night we willingly surrender to unconsciousness, letting go of our awareness and control for hours at a time. But why do we do it, and what's really happening while we sleep? From a survival standpoint, sleep seems incredibly risky. While we're asleep, we're completely unaware of our surroundings, unable to defend ourselves, find food, or escape danger. Even animals in the wild who are constantly at risk from predators still need to sleep. So, what could possibly be so important about sleep that it's worth this risk? For centuries, people thought sleep was just a way to shut down and save energy, like putting a machine on standby. But that idea never really explained why we'd risk so much for it, or why every animal on Earth seems to need it. Eventually, scientists realized there had to be a deeper reason. Something absolutely vital happening while we're unconscious, something that couldn't happen while we're awake. The real breakthrough came with the invention of technology that allowed us to actually watch the brain during sleep. Suddenly, we could see what was going on inside our heads at night. To everyone's surprise, instead of powering down, certain parts of the brain actually become even more active than when we're awake. It was as if the brain had its own secret nighttime agenda. This discovery completely flipped our understanding of sleep. It's not a passive state at all, it's an active, essential process, full of mysterious activity that we're only beginning to understand. The real mystery isn't just about getting rest, it's about something our brains can only do while we're asleep, something so important evolution made sure we couldn't live without it. So, what is it that makes sleep so crucial to our survival and well-being? Let's find out together. While you sleep, your body is hard at work. Think of it as a city's night crew repairing roads, cleaning up and making sure everything runs smoothly for the next day. Even though you're lying still and unaware, there's a flurry of activity happening inside you, just like a city that never truly sleeps. Your body takes advantage of this downtime to perform essential maintenance, making sure you wake up refreshed and ready to go. Muscles repair and grow stronger, your immune system works overtime to fight off germs and infections, and important hormones rebalance to keep everything in check. This is when your body heals from the day's wear and tear, building you back up for tomorrow's challenges. But the real star of the night shift is your brain, which stays incredibly active even while you're asleep. Using EEGs, scientists discovered that we cycle through several stages of sleep, each with its own unique job and purpose. These stages repeat throughout the night, forming a pattern that's vital for our health. Deep sleep is when your body gets its most powerful restoration, repairing tissues and boosting your immune system. REM sleep, on the other hand, is when your brain becomes highly active, processing emotions, solving problems, and locking in memories from the day. It's almost like your brain is sorting, organizing, and filing away everything you learned and experienced, making sense of your day and preparing you for tomorrow. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's a switch to maintenance mode, keeping your body and mind in top shape, so you can be your best self when you wake up. So when you feel sleepy, remember, it's your body's way of saying it's time for essential repairs and upgrades. Don't ignore it. Give yourself the rest you need to stay healthy, sharp, and ready for whatever comes next. The biggest sleep secret? Your brain cleans itself while you sleep. Scientists discovered the glymphatic system, a brain-only cleaning network. During the day, your brain builds up waste, including a protein called beta amyloid. Too much of it is toxic, so at night, your brain cells shrink, letting cerebrospinal fluid wash away the waste. It's like a dishwasher for your brain. You use the dishes all day, then clean them at night. This cleaning cycle is essential. Without it, harmful waste would build up. Nearly every animal needs sleep for this reason. So, sleep isn't just for rest, it's for a nightly brainwash. Miss it, and your brain pays the price. That's why sleep is non-negotiable. Why is this brain cleaning so important? Imagine never running your dishwasher. Eventually things get messy. Without enough sleep, brain waste builds up, making you foggy, forgetful, and unable to focus. It's harder to learn and remember new things because your brain can't form fresh connections. Over time, this buildup is linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. Good sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's a long-term investment in your brain's health. Sleep also helps regulate your mood. A clean brain is a happier, more stable brain. By letting your glymphatic system work, you're washing away stress and setting yourself up for a better tomorrow. Sleep is your brain's reset button. Don't skip it. Sleep is truly fascinating across the animal kingdom. Did you know dolphins sleep with only half their brain at a time? This unique adaptation lets them keep swimming, breathing, and staying alert for danger, even while resting. It's like having a built-in autopilot, allowing them to survive in the wild without ever fully shutting down. Humans have their own sleep quirks too, like hypnic jerks, the sudden jolt or twitch you sometimes feel as you're drifting off. Scientists think this might be an ancient reflex, a leftover from when our ancestors slept in trees and needed to catch themselves if they started to fall. It's a little reminder of our evolutionary past. And what about dreams? Here's a fun fact. We only dream of faces we've actually seen before, even if we don't consciously remember them. Every stranger in your dreams is someone you've crossed paths with, maybe just for a moment in real life. No one's completely sure why we dream, but many scientists believe dreaming helps us process memories, solve problems, and even rehearse for challenges we might face. Our brains are busy at night, sorting through the day's experiences and making sense of the world. So next time you want to sleep in, remember, you're not being lazy. You're actually giving your brain a vital cleaning, a chance to organize memories, and a boost that helps you learn and stay healthy. Sleep is a real-life superpower, recharging your body, restoring your mind, and protecting your health in ways we're only beginning to understand. So tonight, turn off the lights, let your brain do its amazing work, and trust that you'll wake up ready for anything the day brings. Your brain will thank you for it. Sweet dreams.